Hello friends, I'm Sujata once again. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 10 most poisonous plant you must know. The Tura. The Tura stromonium is one of the most poisonous plant found in India and also used in many cultures as a poison. All parts of the Tura plant are poisonous. Calotropis. Calotropis plants are called madar in India and found in abundant in open area, grassland and farmland. The milky latex from the leaves and stem of Calotropis contains poison. Parthenium. Parthenium or gajar ghas is the common invasive species in India. The plant causes milk disease in livestock and also responsible for respiratory malfunction in humans. Nerium oleander. Nerium oleander and all parts are toxic and one of the most poisonous grown plant in India. Nerium plants are commonly grown in gardens of India. Castor beans. Ricinus is known as arandi in Hindi and India is the largest producer of castor oil. The plant is not poisonous but the seeds are poisonous to people, animals and insects. Plumera. All parts of the plumera plant are toxic. The milky can cause rash and vomiting. Leaves or flower of plumera also cause itching, burning sensation and irritate the digestive system. Crab's eye plant. Crab's eye plant is native to India and Sri Lanka and its seeds are poisonous. The plant is also used in Ayurveda and traditional Indian unit of mass measurement. Yellow oleander. Yellow oleander is the most common poisonous plant found in India. The plant contains cardiglycosides. Debenbachia. Debenbachia is the most common indoor plants and poisonous too. Leaves of Debenbachia dangerous to humans or animals and causes immediate pain. Cerebera odollam. Cerebera odollam is native to India and mostly found in coast parts of Kerala. The plant is known as suicide tree in India and its potent poison was used for suicide and murder. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you found it interesting. If you like this video, press like button and share with family, friends and relatives. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.